Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll look about three aspects of Harappan civilization. The first, nature of institution and state. The second, religion. And the third and the last is causes of decline of Harappan civilization. So let's start. The first aspect is the nature of the state and institution that existed during the Harappan civilization. Answer to this question. There is no immediate answer to these questions because of the following reasons. The first reason is that there is limited material about this and many script has not been yet deciphered. Some archaeologists said that there was no ruler in Harappan civilization. As a result, everybody enjoys equal power. Another argument is given is that it was ruled by a group of merchants. And the argument that Harappan civilization was ruled by priests can be eliminated because there is no temple found in any of the Indus Valley civilization sites. Next, we'll look about the religion. Harappan used to worship goddess of fertility, that is earth. In one of the terracotta figure, plant emerging out of the embryo of women has been deciphered, and this shows that they used to worship mother goddess as a fertility of goddess. They also used to worship male deity Pasupati, and they worshipped trees and animals, and most important out of them is the one-horned rhino. Now we'll look about what are the causes of decline of Harappan civilization. There were two arguments. The first says that due to Aryan invasion, Indus Valley civilization declined, while the other argument refute this, and it gives the argument that Indus Valley civilization was declined slowly because of the natural factors, and these factors are the change in the courses of river. Second could be the earthquakes, and the third change in the pattern of rainfall. I hope you like it and found it informative. Thank you.